Greetings, language enthusiasts. Welcome to the BookAMed OET series. Let's explore practical practices that can integrate into your routine, which will help you excel in English. Enhancing your English skills doesn't have to be a daunting task. With daily habits, you can make consistent progress. Let's dive into the 4 pillars: listening, reading, speaking, and writing. First up, let's talk about listening. Incorporate English podcasts and music into your daily life. Whether it's during your commute or household chores, immerse yourself in the rhythm and cadence of the language. Extend your listening practice by watching English TV shows and movies. Use subtitles to enhance vocabulary and comprehension. It's an entertaining way to build your language skills. Now, on to reading. Set aside dedicated time to read English articles, books, or news. Start with material that aligns with your proficiency level and gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. Expand your reading horizon by subscribing to English newsletters or blogs on topics that interest you. This exposure introduces you to new vocabulary and diverse writing styles. Speak in English. Join conversation clubs, engage with native speakers, or participate in online language exchange programs. Practice makes perfect. Enhance your speaking skills by repeating and recording yourself. Identify areas for improvement in pronunciation and fluency. Now, on to writing. Maintain a journal or diary in English. Write about your day, thoughts, or experiences. It's a fantastic way to build vocabulary and grammar skills. Leverage language learning apps that encourage writing. Complete daily prompts or exercises to strengthen your written communication. Expand your vocabulary by learning a few new words each day. Challenge yourself to use them in sentences or conversations. Reinforce new vocabulary with flashcards or language apps. Regular review is key to retention. Set achievable goals for each skill area: listening, reading, speaking, writing. Keep yourself motivated by celebrating small victories. Immerse yourself. Change your phone settings, social media, or surroundings to English. The more exposure, the better. In conclusion, the journey to English excellence is built on consistent, daily habits. Whether you are listening, reading, speaking, or writing, your commitment and regular practice are the keys to success. For more useful OET tips, continue to follow the BookAMed OET series. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookamed.com and we will call you.